Getting the error, an error on our end caused the launch to fail when trying to start EA Sports FC 26. Don't worry, here is how to fix it and get you back in the game fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you how to fix the failed to launch error in EA Sports FC 26 where the EA app says the issue is on their end. Follow these simple steps and you will be scoring goals again in no time. Method 1. Check if your system meets the minimum requirements. When you are having issues launching FC 26 first, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to run the game. You can check the minimum and recommended requirements for FC 26 from this link. Method 2. Run FC 26 with administrative privileges. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game file may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the application you are using to launch the game, or right-click on the game shortcut. Next, select Show More Options, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 3. Change the compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is try a different compatibility mode. To do that, open the game properties, then go to the Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply, then on OK. Method 4. Clear EA Desktop Cache. The next thing you can do is clear EA Desktop App Cache. Here is how you can do so. Open the EA Desktop app, select the 3 dashes in the far left corner of the EA app. Scroll to Help. Click App Recovery, select Clear Cache. Additionally, try disabling the mods or custom content as these could be conflicting with the loading process. Then see if the game loads normally. Method 5. Reinstall the EA anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC 26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the Select Folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the Install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if the issue persists. Method 6. Verify the integrity of the game files. Next, verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing or corrupted game file. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 7. Add the game for high performance and try a lower resolution. Press the Windows plus I keys to open settings, click on System, then select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Click on the Browse option and head to the game installation folder. Select Game.exe and add it. You will now see it here. Click on Options and select High Performance. Select Save to save the changes. You can also try a low resolution from Settings. To do that, go to Windows Settings, click on the System tab and select Display. Then head to Display Resolution. You can try a lower resolution than the recommended one for your PC and check if the game loads now. Method 8. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC 26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. expand the display adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. Method 9. Allow the game through the firewall. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an App Through Firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow Another App button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Now you can relaunch the game file and check. Method 10. Install the Visual C++ redistributables. Next, you can install the Visual C++ redistributables. What you need to do is search Visual C++ redistributable in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We also have provided this link in the description so you don't have to search. Download the Visual C++ redistributables available. Remember to download the correct architecture, like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the game and the issue should be fixed. Method 11. Install DirectX. Another thing you can do is install DirectX. Type in the DirectX on Google and click on the top option for Microsoft.com. You can also click on the link given in the description. Download the DirectX setup file and after the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the downloading process or follow as shown. Make sure to uncheck Bing bar box. Let the installation process complete. After it is complete, restart your PC and then try to launch the game. Method 12. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause issues while launching games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. Apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Google Chrome, MSI Afterburner, and RivaTuner are some that you should close before playing FC26. Method 13. Update your Windows OS. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 14. Reinstall FC26. If the methods shown in this video could not fix the issue, then reinstall FC26. To do so, press Windows +I to open Settings. Open Apps and then head to Install Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the game uninstalls completely, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive or SSD and now launch the game and check. And that's it. Your EA Sports FC26 should launch now without that annoying error. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you found another working fix. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next video.